If you're new to graphic design, check out Canva, which is absolutely free and perfect for making beautiful images. Hey guys, so I'm Liz Moyer and I'm a total Air Force nerd. When I completed my leadership degree, the biggest takeaway is that leadership starts with connection. So my goal this entire channel is just to connect you with tools and resources that help you get a little bit better. And I'm really obsessed with those best practices that can save you time. And Canva is definitely one of those. So let's just jump right in. All right, so we start with our trusty Google. And we're going to go to type in Canva. You can see the spelling, C-A-N-V-A. And here we go. Now, it has already logged me on. You will need a Google account to do this. You can see I actually have 2 accounts. I have logged onto the one that is free, and that way you can see it because, hey, let's not invest in something when we're just sort of messing around with it. There are paid versions. It can run like it's a subscription, so $12 a month, or it can be a little bit discounted if you pay it all at once. But free, it's a really, really great place to start. Perfect example is if I just want to create a document and this just kind of looks like Word, right? But I'm actually going to go into Magic Write and you get free credits for this. If you have Pro, you have unlimited, but Magic Write actually will still help you. And maybe you're trying to do a blog post for your unit. You want to kind of give some updates. First of all, I can type blog post. It's going to give you a little bit of, here would be the prompt for a blog post. I'm looking at this and I go, oh, that's okay, but it's not exactly what I want to do. But let's type something in, say, I am doing a quarterly or like maybe monthly newsletter for my unit and I want it to be engaging. And then I'm just going to say, like, I want you to create a repeatable template. And I will press generate. And then it's going to do that, which is actually pretty cool. And now it's added an image. I can start to change those images. I can mess with the font and then you can see, oh, I want more like this, or I can say this, but which is actually pretty cool. All right, so going back to the homepage for Canva, let's say your unit has a Facebook page or something where you maybe just a flyer that you want to create. You can go and you can go, all right, well, this is the actual size I need it to be. I click on that and on the left-hand side, you're going to see all these different templates. Oh, cool. This is something that I like. I'm going to click on it. And then you can actually understand I can edit this and I can say, I don't like stay tuned, but watch out or whatever you want, right? Very, very easy to mess with. I can make those changes going back to the left-hand side. I can click on elements. I can click on text and make just little adjustments. Of course, because this is not the Pro version, there's still going to be some things that you cannot do, but in terms of if you want something to look pretty professional really quickly, I love this. And the more that you mess around with this, the easier it's going to be in terms of how you can use it. It'll save all of your different templates and files. So inside here, you can see my recent designs. I haven't titled them, right? But I can go in, I can make a copy of that. I can download it. I can share it. All of these different elements. So maybe if I want to mess with this, but I'm like, okay, I don't really want to mess with it. I'm going to make a copy of it. Now I've got a copy of Watch Out and then I've got my original one and I can go back and forth. Really, really helpful and something that I would recommend. I would say 9 times out of 10, you can get on this in the network. I've never had an issue with it, but we all work on different networks. So something to keep in mind, but really recommend you just jumping into this and giving it a shot. You never know if it's going to help you. Please make sure that you put in the comments, hey, this is how I think I could use it, or ask a question, say, does it do this? And would love to be able to provide that feedback.